Japanese startup H2L has unveiled a technological device that transmits bodily movement to humanoid robots. The company said the Capsule Interface serves as a link between humans and robots since the system mimics movement in real time. The humanoid robot's motions are produced through an AI system known as Twist, which was co-developed by Simon Fraser University and Stanford University researchers to pick up small shifts in muscle movement. A Unitree Robotics H1 bot was used in a demonstration where it followed commands including lifting a box, cleaning, or even interacting with another person. Contrasting traditional teleoperational sensors that use optical trackers or inertial measurement units, H2L's system uses displacement sensors to track the user's physical intent and force applied. This runs as deep as small muscle changes using displacement sensors and records more than simple limb positioning. Fitted with an additional display and speakers, the interface can be incorporated into alternative physical positions and places. Laying down in a bed, for example, still provides ideal positioning for operating the system. Current use cases could be anything from handling tasks at distance like meetings, to providing lift and carry operations to reduce strain on users. H2L's plan for the future include seeking to add proprioceptive feedback, which could mean more realism shared between machines and the people using them.